Hi, law folks. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're discussing in detail everything that you need to know about the MHCT 3-year LLB exam, specifically limited to the VARC or the English language section. So kindly keep watching to know more about the same. First, just a general introduction about the MHCD 3-year LLB exam. MHCD 3-year LLB exam has no age limit, so anybody at any position in their life can give the exam. The exam is conducted by the CET cell, so therefore any colleges that you get shortlisted for have to be in the state of Maharashtra. The mode is online, so it's a computer-based exam. You will not get a pen and paper. It is going to be online. And the duration is going to be 2 hours, 120 minutes. Okay, this is after revision. So 120 minutes you will have to cater to 120 questions. Okay, 120 MCQs with 1 mark each. So the total marks is also 120 marks. So 120 minutes, 120 question, 120 marks. For every correct answer, you get 1 mark. But for every incorrect answer, you get no negative marking. So if you get something wrong, it is fine. तुक्का लगाया जा सकता है इस एग्जाम में. So the section wise distribution, guys, please rely on updated revision because अभी section wise distribution अभी इसी last year ही change हुआ है. So this is the updated distribution. The legal is 24 questions, so 24 marks, 20% of the paper. GK is 32 questions, so 27% of the paper. LR is 24 questions, so 20% of the paper. And English is 40 questions, so 33% of the paper. It is the highest amongst all of the other sections. Highest number of questions, highest number of marks. So now let's discuss how to tackle a section like this and what topics that you'll have to cover to cater to English section of the 3-year LLB exam. Okay, so this is VARC for MHCT 3-year LLB. The marks we've just discussed, 40 marks, highest weightage. Question types, now what type of questions you'll get? The questions will likely include RC. Why have I used the word likely? Because the pattern keeps changing, okay? There's a constant change of pattern. But RCs will most probably definitely be there. Vocabulary, synonyms, antonyms, idioms. ग्रामर एंड देन थोड़ा सा वर्बल एबिलिटी में आपका पैराजम्बल्स आ सकता है या फिर पैरा कंप्लीशन ऑल ऑफ दोस the pattern has constantly evolved and changed, so these are the recurrent topics. So again, RCs can come also, not come, but it's always better to prepare from your end. Okay, this is going to be the first time or this is going to be the first time. No, this is going to be the second time the paper is being conducted after the pattern change. So now because the pattern has changed, they can definitely add or remove the questions as per their choice. So kindly be prepared for the worst. That is why prepare all the relevant topics related to CET exam. All of these are relevant, okay? RCs, grammar and vocab. Now, what exactly to prepare in vocab, what exactly to prepare in grammar, we'll get into it. The skills that the consortium or the CET cell wants to test is obviously your reading speed and comprehension. 1 minute for every question. It is not enough. So you have to be very quick with your questions and then with your answering. Vocabulary, how rich is your vocabulary? How aware are you of grammar rules? And obviously sentence level clarity, that is checked through verbal ability questions like parajumbles. So all of this is assessed through these questions. Now what is the detailed syllabus? This is the detailed syllabus. For vocabulary, this is what is asked. Synonyms, antonyms, analogies, idioms and phrases, one word substitutions. So you need to prepare these. For grammar, spotting errors, spelling mistakes, sentence improvement, completion, rearrangement, tense, voice, word definition, all of this is asked. So in grammar, especially in the cases of error detection or sentence improvement, the grammatical topic targeted could be anything. There are usually over 10 grammar topics. There's articles, there are tenses, there's reported speech, there's voices, the subject verb agreement, there are many grammar topics. That is why you'll have to prepare all grammar topics to cater to grammar. You can't just prepare 3 to 4 topics and just call it a day. सारे के सारे grammar topics करने हैं. That is why for grammar preparation, you can always resort to Wren and Martin, or you can resort to a certain institution that has experience in teaching 3-year LLB, because they're aware of the scope of questions and the scope and the level of difficulty of questions asked in grammar of the BRC section. Then RC, ये कभी आता है, कुछ कुछ साल नहीं आता है, ठीक है. After the update, at least 2 passages are followed by 5 to 10 questions each. Questions focused on inference, reasoning, tone, main idea, vocabulary and context. Vocabulary and context means the word is used in the passage, the synonym, antonym or the meaning of that particular word is asked. So you will have to prepare accordingly. You'll have to prepare all these topics accordingly. Now, if you want to access detailed syllabus, you can just go on the website. This is the Tarkashastra website. Okay, you can just go on courses, law, MHCT 3-year, and then just hit download syllabus. Okay, once you hit download syllabus, just quickly fill the form, and then you will get this Google Sheet. Okay, this Excel sheet is maintained by us and it spells the exact syllabus for all the sections. So here you can track your syllabus, you can track your preparation, okay, and then also you can include and remove all the topics that you have done or have changed, or are, what is a difficulty level, what is this, your strength or weakness, all of this can be maintained in this particular sheet. So you can download it and access it from our website. The sheet also has a list of top colleges, the top colleges of Maharashtra after the 3-year exam is over. So this will assist in CAP round. So all of these can be accessed in the same sheet. All right. So this was it for the discussion of the MHCT 3-year LLB English language section. Okay, for preparation, you can rely on certain external institution that comes with experience, or you can buy certain guidebooks for practice. Okay, because you do need practice. Okay, your previous knowledge of grammar is not sufficient. Your previous knowledge of vocabulary will not be sufficient. You need certain preparation, especially for legal. Legal is something that you've not done before. So you need certain external resources. Institutions could be good. You can also invest in certain guidebooks for vocabulary. Please get Word Power Made Easy. That is the Bible for vocabulary. And any other relevant sources. For GK, you can get magazines, you can get monthly magazines, or you can get yearly magazines. But do remember, this is not going to be a cakewalk. You need to prepare for the exam thoroughly. Alright, that is it from my end. Thank you so much for watching. If you need anything else from us, kindly let us know in the comments. Thank you so much.